what I have here today on my workbench is a project I just completed. This is a steampunk pipe robot that I made. As you can see, it's made from salvaged pipes that I have. I've got quite a few that I picked up over the years, and I was able to make a plan and put this one together. So you can see down here it's got these flange pieces for feet right here. There's two feet there, and then it's got a junction box up here and a neck here that I made from a pipe junction, and most of it is with half-inch pipe with elbows, and the junction box was salvaged, but the cap was the cover for the junction box is new. And I've got this bulb on here. It's one of these 800 lumen LED by feet, and I turn it around. It's got a clamp on the back holding the power cord that comes out, and it's a 3-prong power cord. And I have my 386 experience label that I stuck on there. Turning it back around to the front here, thing's pretty heavy. I think it's about 10 pounds, or 6 pounds, about 6 or 7 pounds actually. It has an on-off switch here, and a AC 120 volt, 2 receptacles there, then USB ports here. And this is a magnet that I put on that side, then it just has a cap on the other arm. The magnet I salvaged from a car phone holder. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in here. And you can see there's a little LED that turns on here, indicator. Then hit the switch, and it gives off quite a bit of light. It's kind of an amber glow on the light. Then if you get a phone, you can stick the phone right on there. You could charge it when it's plugged in. So now it's charging. So that's my steampunk robot lamp.